Alright, if you want the best gaming performance from your ASUS TUF VG259QM, you actually need to change a few important settings. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through the best gaming setup for smoother gameplay, clearer motion, and lower input delay in 2026. First, let's unlock the full speed of the monitor. Open the monitor menu using the joystick button, go to the gaming section, and enable overclock. Then set the refresh rate to 280 Hz. Now go into your computer display settings. Open Advanced Display Settings and make sure the refresh rate is also set to 280 Hz. Otherwise, the monitor won't actually run at full speed. Next, open Game Visual Settings and select Racing Mode. This gives balanced colors and the lowest processing delay, which is ideal for competitive gaming. Go back into gaming settings and set overdrive to 80. This reduces motion blur while avoiding ghosting effects during fast movement. Turn on adaptive sync to eliminate screen tearing and keep gameplay smooth when frame rates change. If you mainly play fast shooters, enable ELMB SYNC. This improves motion clarity by reducing blur while still keeping smooth frame syncing. Set brightness around 35 to 40 for indoor gaming, and keep contrast at 80. This helps enemies stand out without overexposing bright areas. Finally, turn off dynamic contrast, blue light filter, and extra image enhancements. These features can add processing delay and reduce competitive clarity. And that's it. Your VG259QM is now fully optimized for gaming. You should notice smoother motion, faster response, and clearer visuals immediately. If this setup helped you, save the video so you can quickly apply it again anytime. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.